H.B. Maynard. Remember that name? He's a figure whose influence you might not immediately recognize, but his impact is felt in every corner of the modern workplace. You might not know it, but you feel this guy's work every day. From the way your office is organized to the efficiency of the products you use. See, Maynard was all about making work better. He believed that every task, no matter how small, could be improved. He looked at factories, offices, any place things got done and said, we can do that better. He saw potential where others saw routine. He started in the early 1900s, a time of huge industrial change. The world was transforming rapidly, and Maynard was at the forefront. Factories were booming, but things were kind of messy. There was a lot of room for improvement. Maynard brought order and efficiency to the shop floor. He introduced methods that streamlined processes and reduced waste. His big idea, industrial engineering. This wasn't just about making things, but making the process of making things the best it could be. It was about optimizing every step, and that, my friends, changed everything. The principles he introduced are still used today, shaping the efficiency of our modern world. Maynard was obsessed with, not wasting it, mind you, but it. He figured if you knew exactly how long each tiny task took, you could find the way to do it. Enter time and motion studies. Maynard and his stopwatch were a team. They'd watch workers break down their every move. It wasn't about being Big Brother, it was about finding those wasted seconds, a twist of the wrist taking too long, redesign the tool, walking across the room for parts, reorganize the layout. Time to Maynard was pure potential. Time studies were just the start. Maynard wanted to work, not just how long it took, but how work was actually happening. He developed systems to analyze jobs, figure out fair workloads. This wasn't about squeezing more out of people, it was about what they could do and making sure they had the right tools and training to do it. This was revolutionary. Suddenly work wasn't just some abstract thing, and it was measurable, improvable. Workers weren't just cogs in the machine, they were valuable resources whose skills could be maximized. Section 4. Designing for Success, Maynard's Approach to Job Design. Maynard knew that even the most skilled worker couldn't overcome a poorly designed job. He observed that inefficiencies and frustrations in the workplace often stemmed from poor job design rather than worker incompetence. That's where his innovative ideas about job design came in. He saw the potential to transform workplaces by focusing on the design of the job itself. He believed in fitting the job to the worker, not the other way around. This approach meant tailoring tasks to suit the physical and mental capabilities of the workers. This meant considering things like ergonomics, worker safety, and even morale. By prioritizing these elements, Maynard aimed to create a more efficient and happier workforce. A happy worker, Maynard knew, was a productive worker. He understood that job satisfaction directly influenced productivity and overall job performance. He encouraged businesses to involve workers in the design process to get their input on how to make things better. This inclusive strategy ensured that the workers' needs and insights were considered. This collaborative approach was radical at the time, and it's still relevant today. It fostered a sense of ownership and responsibility among workers, leading to better job satisfaction and performance. When you design jobs that people want to do, everybody wins. The business benefits from increased productivity and reduced turnover, while workers enjoy a more fulfilling and less stressful work environment. Section 5. Setting the standard. Maynard's influence on standardization. Maynard wasn't content with just improving individual jobs or even entire factories. He wanted to bring efficiency to the world. His solution? Standardization. He believed that by establishing clear, consistent standards for processes, tools, and even terminology, businesses could achieve unprecedented levels of efficiency and productivity. And he was right. Maynard's work laid the foundation for countless industrial standards that are still used today. From the way we measure time to the way we design products, Maynard's influence is everywhere. Section 6. A lasting legacy. Maynard's enduring impact on industrial engineering. H.B. Maynard was a true pioneer in the field of industrial engineering. His groundbreaking work transformed the way we think about work itself, revolutionizing industries across the globe. He took something as basic as time and turned it into a powerful tool for progress and efficiency. Maynard showed the world that true efficiency wasn't about working harder. It was about working smarter and more strategically. His legacy lives on in every factory, every office, and every place where people strive to do their best work, day in and day out. He taught us that continuous improvement is always possible, no matter the challenge. By breaking down complex problems, measuring what truly matters, and designing for success, we can achieve amazing things. That's the transformative power of industrial engineering, and that's the enduring legacy of H.B. Maynard, a legacy that continues to inspire and drive innovation today.